Today I'm going to tell you about one such earning platform where you can earn a good amount of money just sitting at home. The platform about which I'm going to tell you is coem.in. This is an e-commerce store for buying gold and silver items where you can do trading as well and earn a good amount of money. Okay then, now I will tell you about how it's done. First of all, you will have to do a recharge to start the earning, and the best thing about it is that there is no minimum recharge amount unlike other platforms. Then to start earning, you will have to click here on win option. Then this interface will appear. Here you can see this page shows on the top the available balance. Below that there is an option for recharge, and then there are four advices: parity, saper, beacon and emerald. Here you can see the parity is running and the period which is going on is 431. You have to see the last three digits and its countdown is here going on here, and here are three colors and 0 to 9 numbers from which you have to purchase. Below here, the parity record of the period history is given. You can check out the periods that have happened. Guys, you get 3 minutes for each period, and among that 2 minutes 30 seconds for purchasing, and the last 30 seconds are to show the result. Now guys, I will show you how the purchase is done. For demonstration, I am showing you one. Guys, now I will show you how purchase is done. I will do a 10 rupee purchase on color green. You will have to first click here join green. Then after clicking here, you will have to select the amount that you want to purchase. For 10 rupees, here on top you have to select 10 and here 1. If you want to do 50 rupees purchase, you will have to increase the numbers here. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, this is 50 rupees purchase, you can see here. And for 200, if you want to purchase 200 rupees, you will have to select on this 100 and then decrease the number to 2, and you can see here it is showing 200. Then click on this I agree pre-sale rule and then click on the confirm, and your purchase will be done. I will show you how to do. See, I have selected 10 and decreased it to 1. So this is a 10 rupee purchase. I will click here on confirm. You will see our purchase is successful. One thing I would like to tell you guys, those who didn't want to take risk and didn't want to make purchases, for them I have a good news. There is one WhatsApp group where our professional team provides expertise. They provide a profit plan on the group. If you really want to earn a good amount of money, you will have to follow the plan provided by our team, otherwise there can be losses as well. Now I will show you guys how the purchase is done according to the plan on the WhatsApp group. I will take you to our WhatsApp group. See here, this expertise is totally provided by our professional team. So you can see the last one. I'll show you the 4 to 8. You will have to see only the last three digits. The 4 to 8, the advice is parity, the color and the amount. The amount can be anything depending upon your balance. Okay, you'll have to see everything in detail from here and then make a purchase on our website. See here, it was showing 4 to 8. Guys, the demo purchase we did of 10 rupees green is successful. You can see here below it's showing this successful. We purchased 10 rupees, that is our contract money, and period 432, and then after successful we got profit 9.6 rupees on 10 rupees. Yes guys, there's one more thing that I want to tell you guys, that there's also a referral program on the site where you can share your referral link to your friends and family so they can also earn easily. On doing this, your earnings will get increased as you will get rewards on their first recharge as well as commissions on their each and every transaction. I will show you how to share the referral link to your friends and family. So click here on my section, then click here on the second option, promotion. This interface will appear. See here, it's your promotion code is given and the promotion link is given. You will simply have to copy this promotion link and share it on social media, WhatsApp, and wherever you want to. Last but not the least, one of the most important thing, that is withdrawal. It's really fast here and you will get money in just minutes in your bank account. First of all, you will have to have your bank account card entered here. So click on the bank card and then click on this option plus, and you can then fill all your details and then click on here continue. Your bank account will be successfully added to the site. Now for withdrawal, you will have to click here on third option, wallet, click, and then click on the second option, withdrawal. This interface will appear where you will be shown your balance, then the section where you have to enter the amount you have to withdraw, then select your bank card here and then put in your login password and click on this withdrawal button. I have taken a many number of withdrawals. For that you will have to click here on the top right corner. It will show your all the withdrawals taken. See, I have taken yesterday only 1100 rupees withdrawal. So guys, I have told you everything about this site, that is coem.in, and I have also provided the link for registration and the WhatsApp group. You can check out below and register on this site and start earning money today. Thank you guys.